Types of data. In this module, you will understand types of data, collection of data, variable, and frequency. We see many data in our day-to-day life, like marks of students in a class in mark sheets, weather reports, in different regions on television, etc. Data handling is a part of statistics. It is a collection of facts, such as numbers, words, measurements, observations, or even just description of things. Any collection of information in the form of numerical figures giving the required information is called data. For example, the measurement of height and weight of student in a class. The information which is collected initially and presented randomly is called a raw data. The raw data is an unprocessed and unclassified data. Sometimes it happens that the collected raw data may be huge in number, and it gives us no information. Such a data can be grouped meaningfully and then analyzed further. Such data which is arranged in the groups or classes is called a group data. For this, first we need to collect the data. That is, the initial step of investigation is the collection of data. Also, the data collected must be relevant to the need. The data collected can be further categorized as primary and secondary. Let us see it with example. Mr. Sanjay, the class teacher of Standard 7, plans to organize a dance competition. He asks the students to give their choice for the songs they would like to perform, the costumes they would like to wear, so on. For all these, he is collecting the information directly from the students. This type of collection of data is known as primary data. Now, Mr. Sanjay wanted a best dance competition, so he calls a known choreographer for this event. He collects the information from him about which types of songs or costumes could be best suited for this competition. The information obtained from him or an external source is called secondary data. In statistics, a variable means a measurable quantity which takes any numerical values within certain limits. For examples, height, weight, temperature, marks, etc. Suppose a group of students were asked about their favorite food, then following result was obtained. Grouping them in tabular form we get, here we can see that the favorite food gets repeated, so we count the number of times the value occurs. This number obtained for each food is called the frequency of food. The number of times a particular value repeats itself is called its frequency. Let us revise all that we have learned in this module, types of data.